I'm Aaron Rose with Remax Boone Realty, and I'm located in Columbia, Missouri. Columbia is in the middle of Missouri and, of course, the United States.
Today, I'm proud to show you a listing at 509 North Providence Road. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath, cottage bungalow-style home, centrally located and close to everything. The home offers a full basement, a fully wooded backyard, and so much more. Step inside. Entering on real hardwood, our living room is freshly painted, open, bright, with this convenient closet. Bedroom 2. Bedroom 3, also with large closet. Our bathroom, offering modern amenities coupled with classic touches like this clawfoot tub. Our kitchen, recently updated with custom oak countertops and matching shelves. And this door steps out to our roomy and convenient back porch, giving access to either downstairs or out to our backyard. Our biggest bedroom, located upstairs, offers tons of space, multiple closets, and a raised ceiling. Our basement, offering convenient dry storage and protection from storms. 509 North Providence Road offers quick access to everything downtown and all that is Columbia. Covered front porch, large driveway, and let's take one more look at this private and secluded backyard.
Again, my name is Aaron Rose, and I can be found on the web at goarose.com. Again, that's GOAROSE.com. See you on the net.
If you like this home or any other home, realize I'm only a mouse click or a phone call away.